Welcome to the mess. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a vlog style clean with me. My bedroom is absolutely shocking, so I'm going to clean today and I'm going to show you everything I do from start to finish, and I'm going to take you guys with me and show you the process. So let's start with me showing you what it looks like. Okay, so here is the overview of my bedroom, and I am so embarrassed that it actually looks like this. The bed is somewhat half made, that's easy, but then I have all of this stuff going on. We recently went to IKEA, so I picked up a few things and I need to sort all of that out. That's my craft pile. It's just a bag of wool. This is clothing I haven't folded. Oh, my desk is not too bad. My desk is cute. The chair situation, something needs to happen there. Laundry basket is full and exploding onto the floor. My shelf, I kind of just want to redecorate this because I feel like it's not working. This is the top of my sideboard and it's actually got a really good vibe going, minus the mess. So I'm going to clean that up, and I'm going to try and do something about the back of this door because it's full of coats and things. So I actually picked up some hooks in Primark yesterday. I don't normally find anything in Primark anymore, but these I thought were cute and they would look good on the back of the door, and it gives us 5 hooks instead of 3 because we have 3 at the moment. So I am going to tackle this and take you guys with me. Now that I'm looking around, I'm thinking, where do I even begin? It's pretty shocking. I think what I'm gonna do is pick an area to have as my junk area and just put everything that doesn't have a place on that area like I normally do, and then work clockwise around my bedroom. So I think I'm going to use this dresser drawer thing as my dumping ground. So let's get started. Any clothing items I find, I'm just gonna dump straight onto my bed as long as they're clean. If they're dirty, they're gonna go in the laundry pile that's kind of exploded onto the floor. This is what happens if you have a bunny rabbit and you leave pieces of paper lying around. Just a heads up. Okay, this is actually looking worse. I need to tackle this. As I'm going, I'm separating all the recyclables and putting them in a separate bag. I have so much rubbish in here, I don't know how this happened. This has now become the clothing and textiles pile, and I'm gonna sort this once I've done the surfaces. We're actually in the process of moving at the moment. It's a very lengthy process because I'm actually buying a house, and I will talk about it ASAP on my channel. Anyway, this box is a box that I'm packing with items that I can take up to the house. So I'm gonna start filling it with stuff to go up there now, but I'm not gonna pack it perfectly because I'm literally moving 1 street away, so I don't really need to bubble wrap too much, just the things I'm really worried about. So I'm just gonna kind of fling them in the box. You can go in there. One surface is done. So I have cleared off all the surfaces except for my junk surface, and they're looking pretty good. I've done the desk, did the shelf, I did this sideboard, and I did my bedside table. At the moment on the bed, I've got all the clothes that need folding, the pillows that need to go out, some extra home decor things that didn't fit in my junk space, and all the stuff that I need to move, so I'm going to take this downstairs. So yeah, that's progress update. Guys, I have some really exciting news, not clickbait. I have a new clothes folder. I got this one off Amazon the other day because Old Faithful finally kicked the bucket. There were only so many times I could duct tape it together until it just fell to pieces. It was driving me insane. So, my old friend, you have to go to make way for a new one. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna get to folding some clothes now. Okay, you're next. Look what I found while I was cleaning the door. It's a Water Country USA hat, which is where Ben and I met 2014. I think he brought this back with him just recently. I don't know why. I'm sure he's not gonna be wearing it, but yeah. We met when I was a cabana host and he was a lifeguard in Virginia at Water Country USA. So yeah, fun fact. I don't think that looks any better than it did despite taking off half the stuff, but we're running out of space, so that's how it's got to be. Quick update, while my camera was charging, I managed to tidy these shoes down here, so they're looking slightly better. I put these two photos above the bed. I separated my recycling from my rubbish, and I changed up the letters on my letterboard. It sadly no longer says son of a nutcracker because Christmas is over. I am done. Let me show you guys how it turned out. This corner needs a little bit more work because it's mainly Ben's stuff and then my cameras, but I'm just gonna leave that for the time being. This is what the rest of it looks like. The bed area is looking so much better. My cushions are a little bit mix and match at the moment because most of them are packed up, but it's looking pretty good. The bedside table is looking so much better. The chest of drawers is looking pretty decent. I just put these little things out so I can put bobby pins and stuff in them. This corner's not great because my filming light's there and it's the only place I have to put it, so it's just gotta stay there for a while, so ignore that. But other than that, I think it's looking much better. This is how my desk turned out. Haven't taken that rubbish out yet, but yeah, it's looking nice and tidy. And this is where my Anthropology DIY cushion ended up. If you haven't seen that video, you should go check it out. I crocheted this cushion. My shelf is looking pretty smart. Got the chair, then we've got the sideboard. I need to take the cleaning stuff and the vacuum out, but yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. So that's everything I have to share with you in today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this more vloggy style, casual clean with me. I just decided to do this for a change, and I do hope it inspired you guys to clean up if your space is not looking too fresh right now. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next week with more DIYs, organization, and other good stuff. So see you then. Bye.